DVB data states that the death toll from the March 28 earthquake is 4,325, with 6,588 injured and 448 still missing. The regime reports that 3,514 bodies have been recovered, while over 4,809 were injured and 210 people remain missing. The UN warned that millions of people in the impact zone still lack access to electricity, clean drinking water, food, healthcare services, emergency shelter, and other essential services. It estimates that over 17 million people across nearly 60 townships in Myanmar were impacted by the earthquake. Rescue operations are ongoing in urban areas, but villages have reported receiving very little assistance 10 days after the quake. At least 108 air and artillery attacks have resulted in 67 fatalities and 84 injuries. Since the regime ceasefire on April 2nd, 46 attacks have been carried out. The National Unity Government reports that 13 regime attacks took place in Sagaing region, the epicenter of the earthquake. Another 8 occurred in the Mandalay region. Fighting has been reported in Kachin Karani, Mandalay and Shan states, as well as Sagaing and Magui regions. Regime operations are also underway in Chakpyu Township of Rakhine State. Fighting is ongoing along the An Badan, Tandwe Ushapin, and the Gwa Ngatain Chang roads. The regime continues to put its efforts into defeating anti-regime forces rather than focusing on earthquake relief and recovery efforts. It held its 9th military training graduation ceremony for new conscripts on Friday. It also began its 12th military conscription drive on April 4th.